So in the life, we see many dreams for life. But for that we think that what things should be required for completing those dreams? What things we should learn? What things we should earn as a weapon, as a facility, as a idiot thing for that? And from those, we will able to do those things in a very easiest manner. Suppose a person wants to crack some interview. So for that, what will he do? In the moment, he will learn some English tip. He will learn maybe some small vocabulary that will be good for impressing to those persons, those will give him job. For a real example, you see me always on that I thought that I can't write. I have not the good power of writing. I have not the good power of speaking. So here what's happening? We are watching the dream, but for that we think that for that what we don't have, what we don't have for completing from those dreams. But I want to ask you a simple question. That by the thinking that for those dreams, for those good things, we don't have no this, we don't have money, we don't have a great education. Did we able to complete those dreams or not? Then no, because we have see those dreams from this appointed mindset. But if we want, so we can see the Lord Rama in that case. So I show Ramayana और उसमें एक बहुत सुंदर एक प्रसंग है कि रावण अपने रथ पे आता है तो विभीषण because he was in with Lord Rama in Ramayana. So he said, हे प्रभु वो तो रथ पे है ना आप पे तन पे कवच आप नंगे पाँव ना आप पे धनुष बाण है राघवेंद्र ऐसी स्थिति में आप परमवीर रावण को कैसे मार पाएंगे बट श्री राम said that मैं तुम्हारी चिंता नहीं मोही है परंतु सत्यवादी पुरुष जिस रथ पे चल के विजय प्राप्त करता है वो रथ काठ या लोहे का बना हुआ नहीं होता वो तो दूसरा ही रथ होता है। उस रथ के शौर्य और धैर्य दो पहिए हैं। सत्य दृढ़ पताका है। दंभ, विवेक, बल और परोपकार ये चारों घोड़े हैं जो क्षमा और समता रूपी डोरी से चलायमान है। और ये भजन उस रथ का चतुर सारथी है। So here maybe we can learn that Lord Rama is not thinking that he doesn't have any outside power for killing the Ravan. He is thinking that I have my true potential for winning the war, and I will definitely win because I have the wrath of my owner. As like that, in our life, we have always of the facility of our teacher's idea, of our great mindset, of our great feeling, and of our great confidence, and most of our great happiness. So if we have the potential phenomenon side of our true willpower, so it is no sense that we have not any outside facility, and then we will also win of our life was like Lord Rama, and we will live like a hero in life. Thank you.